Let me show you how to enable the code execution tool, a secure sandbox that lets your Cortex agents generate and run Python code as part of a conversation. Some tasks require code that doesn't exist yet, generating a chart, creating a PDF report, or running a statistical analysis. The code execution tool gives your agent a sandbox Python environment to do exactly that. Let's check it out. I'm looking at my sales Cortex agent in Snowsight, and I want to add the code execution sandbox tool. Let's click Edit, and in the Tools section, we'll add the code execution tool. For more advanced use cases, you can extend the sandbox. Additional Python packages are available through the Snowflake artifact repository, and you can grant external network access via network rules and external access integrations, letting the agent reach APIs or push results to downstream systems. You can even define skills that rely on Python scripts, and the agent will automatically run the scripts in the sandbox. And all of this happens with session-level isolation and inside of Snowflake's security perimeter. Now let's save the change. And we can see that it's enabled right here. That's all the setup required. So let's see what it finds on Acme Core, a fictional company with fictional data I've created for demonstration purposes. Now, when a user asks the agent something that requires computation, say, I have a meeting with Acme Core to prevent churn. Please prepare a briefing PDF report I can share with my team. If we look at the agent's traces, we can see that the agent writes Python code, executes it in the sandbox, and returns the result. And the user gets a downloadable PDF. If we open that PDF, we see a professional report generated with summaries, charts, a risk assessment, and tailored talking points so that the rep can go into the meeting prepared. To learn more, check the code execution tool documentation for Cortex agents. I'll see you next time.